Hi everyone, my name is Ibrahim Dole and today I'm going to teach you on how to be able to make money from home, how to make money online using your smartphone. Like we said, it's time to use what you have to get what you want. So one thing you know in this life is all about sacrifices. So you must be able to sacrifice to gain another thing that is in this life. Even if you are going for or training that will tell you about entrepreneurship will tell you that it's all about sacrificing to get something. So today I'm going to show you how you can be able to make money from home using your smartphone. All you need to do is to get a smartphone, tablet, computer, a mobile money wallet, whether it be Orange or Lustar, and put in trust in what you're doing. So this is the Starbell Libera. Starbell Libera is one of Libera number one betting company that have a user-friendly app. This platform it allow you to bet from your smartphone. Like your bet is your secret. So even if you win $1 million, nobody get too much stock. All you need to do is to be able to make a withdrawal rate to your mobile money wallet, and you can start enjoy. And you have fast cash out, mentor. You have instant payout and more. So today I'm going to teach you how to join. But before that, I want to give you one promo code that immediately you register and you use that promo code, you get 300 free bet, 300 LD free bet that you can use to bet on any game. The 300 LD free bet, all you need to do is to put 31, the 30, all should be in capital letter, that is TEDDY, 31. So if you register, they ask you your promo code, you put TEDDY 31. So if you put 31 and you register, you get 300 already free bet on your account. So what are you waiting for? So in order to be able to let's say register on a platform, you first have to go to Google Chrome and test starbet.com.lr. So on the upper layer you see it, starbet.com.lr, to the search menu, and then you can click join if you are new to the platform. So if you are new to the platform, you click join. Now you put your phone number, you put your password, you put the currency, you should choose LRD for easy access. Because if you choose LRD, you can be able to deposit using your mobile money, which is whether Orange or Lustar. Then when you choose LRD, you kind of promo code. So when you kind of promo code, on a promo code you put everything in capital. O T E D D Y. You put 31. So 31 is the promo code. You put 31 and then you register. Immediately you finish registering, you will see that particular amount. You will see 31 LD free bet straight in your wallet. No go and can. You can use it to what you call it. So if you also want to bet, maybe play some of those games, all you need to do is to be able to get a mobile money wallet, and then you can make a deposit using your mobile money wallet. Now I'm going to join and make deposit using my mobile money wallet. So I already have an account to log in, and then since I have two separated accounts, I choose one of it. So I'm going to choose my Orange account. So now I click on my Orange account and then I log in. You see it? You got no time to waste. May I click on your Orange account, you log in, bam, you already in. So what are you waiting for right now? So now this is my wallet, this is my balance, and this is where I can deposit, and it also allow me to withdraw. So if you see here, you see your user ID. So you can follow Starbell Libera on Facebook. Starbell Libera on Facebook give away every week. They give I think 3 different giveaway. The first one is you guess, and then you comment when you post, you guess, you comment what you guessing, and you comment your ID along with it. And if you are lucky, you can be among the raffle draw, and then after the raffle draw, if your ID show up, they can be able to deposit 400 LD in your wallet for free. Then the predation, you predict a game that on or that coming play, and then if you guess that prediction correctly, they also deposit 400 LD in your wallet. Then they have another one they call Happy Friday. Happy Friday is the one that all of the ticket from Friday to Sunday, all of the ticket, your losing ticket, all you need to do is to be able to put your losing ticket ID and your your, how you call it, your own ID, which is your user ID. You put it, and at the end of it, it will choose it and put in the raffle. After the raffle, when you come up, you can be one of the lucky winners. Then again, another one called Bet Champion. Bet Champion is the one that you can win smart. Do you betting, but you can also win a smartphone. You can win television, that is smart TV, and more prices. So Starbet is just user friendly, and they make sure that the platform is affordable to everybody. Just imagine, accessible, affordable, and all of that. So now what I'm going to do is that I want to make a deposit. So I come to deposit. What I do, it can be directly ask me what I want, mobile money or I want orange. Now the shop cash is when you maybe you choose USD, then you're registering, and then you want to play using USD. There where you're gonna take that USD. So I put in 300 in my wallet right now. Now you can start from as low as 50 LD. You can deposit as low as 50 Liberty in your wallet and start playing. Can you imagine? Then let me try this. I put 30 T E T T 31. So the 31, I know that it work instantly on your on new account. Like you have a, like you are new and you are registering, you may put that 31 to promo code, bam, that money can account straight to you. But the one, it's just deposit I'm making because I have my own account. So I click deposit. Now when I click deposit, you see what it's saying? It's saying processing. So what I need to do now is I go to my other phone where I already have my mobile money wallet on. Then I go confirm it. Now I take my other smartphone, and then I click *144. Say I'm using orange. *144 hash, and then the menu will also come up, and then I put my mobile money pin in. I put my mobile money pin, and I click send. Now you come and see what the app can say. As much that money go, the app saying is still processing, right? Now, as much this message go to the mobile money, my mobile money wallet, and the mobile money, how you call it, the